today we are going to learn a new lesson of science, sources of food. What do you mean by sources? Sources means from the different dimensions or from different varieties how you are getting different types of sources. Okay, let us start our lesson. Okay, let me ask you a question. You're using your phone, you're watching your favorite cartoon or you're playing your favorite game on your mobile phone. Suddenly the phone switches off due to low battery. What will you do? Yes, you go and you plug into a charger. What happens when you plug into the charger? The phone gets charged. The phone gets charged with energy. In the same way, we also require energy to do our day-to-day activities. The food which we take provides us that energy. Understood? And if suppose you have allowed charging of your phone for 10 minutes and if you take back, will it work for continuously 1 hour? No, because it is not fully charged. Because it is having less energy, it can't work more time. In the same way, if we take sufficient food, we can work all day. If we don't take sufficient food, the energy will not be sufficient and we can't work continuously. Now, let us go into the topic. Open your textbook, page number 5. Okay? Now, see, food is regarded as fuel to your body because it helps in you to complete your day-to-day activities in very effective manner. So now let us see. So whatever food we are taking, it requires some chemical substances. It has some chemical substances in it. Those chemical substances are called as nutrients. So what are nutrients? The chemical substance that your body requires is called as nutrition. This nutrition contains nutrients. Okay? Did you get? The chemical substances are called nutrients. Okay? Now, let us assume what is the use of eating food? Like we'll eat, we'll sleep, we'll work. That's it. Did you find any usefulness if you eat food? Yes, obviously there are lot of uses. First thing, it provides energy for your various activities. How does it provide? How can you tell it provides? Because you daily get up, okay? You brush your teeth, you do a lot of activities, you play, you dance, you sing, you go here and there, okay? You go out of your home again, you come back, you play with your friends, you play with your siblings. For all these activities, do you require energy? From where are you getting this energy? Only if you eat, you will get energy and it helps in doing the required activities. Now, it helps to grow and replace worn out cells. Okay, let us do some activity. Now, you are all at home, right? So, ask your parents to show them your photos when you were very small. When you were very small, maybe this much height, right? Very small. Now, you have grown up this much, right? So, from here, you have grown up to here. What does it mean? The food or the energy what you are getting, it is helping you to grow. If you eat very well, you will go taller and taller as well as stronger. Okay? In the same way, it also removes the dead cells which are present in your body. What is the third advantage of eating food is protects from various diseases and keeps us fit and healthy. Due to this corona, everyone are staying at home, right? So, in TVs or in mobile phones, what are they telling? They're asking us to eat healthy and be healthy. So, if we eat healthy food, it keeps us more strong. It keeps us healthy. It allows us to avoid all kind of diseases. It protects us from diseases. Okay? Yeah. Now, see your page number 5. Variety of foods in India. Okay, now we all are staying in Telangana. So we know different types of Telangana foods. Now suppose we also have friends from some other states, right? So if you see North India like Jammu Kashmir or whatever other states, they eat different types of food items, right? So we are called as South Indians. What do? We eat mostly dal and rice, right? We love eating rice. But whereas North Indians love eating chapatis. So different parts of states or of our country, different parts in our country have different variety of food habits. Okay, so let us do some activity. Now, if you know some of your friends who are from different states, just make a list of the state and ask them what is their food habit. Okay, what kind of food they eat. Okay, very good. Now, go to the next page, page number 6. Ingredients of food. Daily, Mama will cook rice with us and she serves us. Daily we eat rice. What are the ingredients in rice? Yeah, they take some rice, right? And they add some water to it and they boil it. What happens? Then it becomes rice, right? In the same way, we have different ingredients. Now suppose if we take an example of pizza. What are the different ingredients in pizza? They take maida, they add cheese, they add some vegetables, they add this corn, lot of chili flakes. So we have lot of things on pizza, right? So pizza included of different ingredients. So each and every food item which we are eating or which we consume are of different types of ingredients. All these ingredients provide energy to us. We should consume healthy ingredients which are good for our health. Understood? Now, sources of food. Now, where do we get food from? Do you remember? We only know there is only one thing which can produce food on its own. What are they? Plants are the things which produce, plants are the living things which produce food on their own. Right? Can we produce food on our own? No, we can't capture carbon dioxide, we can't capture sunlight, and we don't have chlorophyll to make food. Right? So what do? We take the food prepared by the plant. We take that plant or we take the vegetables or fruits coming from that and we eat that. Okay, so plants are only the living things which produce food on their own. So they are called as producers. Okay, what are producers? Plants are called as producers. As they prepare their own food. Okay, see, producers means plants are called as producers as they prepare their own food. Understood? Now, let us see from what are the different sources. Okay. You just make a list of some things which you get from where you get. Okay. Now, for example, if you take milk, where do you get milk from? Yeah, cow, buffalo, goat. Right? We get milk from cow, mainly from cow and buffalo. Right? We drink that milk. Yes. Next, if you take eggs. Where do you get eggs? Yes, you get egg from hen. No. Okay, let us see in the textbook. We have some more examples in that. See, page number 6, sources of food. Milk from cow, buffalo, goat and camel. Milk is used to prepare milk products such as, yes, we love to eat pizza. In pizza they add cheese, right? We get this cheese from milk. So we get cheese, butter, ghee, curd and our favorite item, ice cream. We all have ice creams, right? Yes. Eggs we get from hen, duck and quail. We also, some of us love to eat chicken, some of us love to eat mutton, right? So this is called as meat. Some of us who love to eat. Where do we get from? We get from hen, duck, goat, fish and crab. We also get honey from honeybees. How do we get honey from honeybees? Do you have any idea? Yeah, they collect the nectar from plants and they store in their beehive. So, we get honey from honeybees through beehives. Okay? Did you all understood what today's topic is?